The Lindner Hotel Cologne am Dom, part of JDV by Hyatt, is a charming and centrally located hotel in the heart of Cologne, right near the world-famous Cologne Cathedral, Dom. It is known for offering a tranquil stay despite its bustling city center location. The hotel is a short walk from the central train station, the cathedral, and major shopping areas. Amenities include an indoor pool, a sauna, a fitness center, and the on-site restaurant, Green Smoke. The hotel features 130 rooms and suites. This blue area is pretty cool. It really gives the hotel something unique and stylish. Room with double bed 418. Virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment.
Positive points.
Tea and coffee making facilities, just a pity they don't provide metal spoons. Fridge in room. Safe in room. Very nice fitness, pool, and sauna area without extra charge, despite what was written in the room. Very good location near the cathedral and main station.
Negative points.
No hand soap. It seems that it was totally forgotten. Strange cupboard with big section that doesn't open. No phone to TV pairing. The opening hours for the pool and gym are from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., so if you are planning to start off early, it isn't very convenient. I stayed in June 2025. The room including breakfast cost around 139 euros, that was equivalent to around $160. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the rating I give to the hotel at the end of the video. Plenty of hangers. Here is what I mentioned before. A big section of the cupboard didn't seem to be accessible. Don't really understand the point of that. If you are thinking of spending a night in Cologne, click on the top right to see my review of the Hyatt Regency Cologne. Unfortunately, like I said, they seem to have forgotten the hand soap. I used the shower gel instead. Pharmacopoeia is a luxury toiletries brand founded by Lisa Levin in San Francisco, USA. If you fancy seeing the review of another hotel that uses Pharmacopoeia, click on the top right to see my review of the Hyatt Regency Birmingham, UK. Here is the view from the room. Unfortunately, the building opposite is a bit of a mess at the moment. At least it was quiet. Here is the breakfast buffet. I would describe it as a decent German breakfast. Here is the breakfast room. Here are the pool, sauna, and gym. They are in the building next to the hotel and can be accessed directly through the hotel. They provide clean towels. I didn't film the gym, but as it is a fitness club, it provides a big selection of machines and weights. Here is the male changing room. Here is the mixed sauna. I didn't film inside as people were using it. My rating 4.2.